I always feel like it's the days when I don't really feel like sitting down and doing a face yoga or taking that 10 minutes to do a Gua Sha routine, but usually those are the days when I need it the most. And I notice that I have tension in my face, or maybe I'm a little bit more puffy. So I decided to just sit down today, do a bit of a Gua Sha routine from the beginning to end. So there's not going to be much talking. So just follow along with me. So if you feel like you want a nice, relaxing 10-minute, 15-minute Gua Sha routine, follow along with me. And yeah, let's see how we feel afterwards. I'm going to start with some face oil. This is Global Face Serum. I love this face oil. I love using a face oil in the morning and at night, but it's especially important to use it before any Gua Sha routine. And you want to make sure that you have enough slip on your skin when you're gliding the tool. So you always want to start with some lymphatic drainage. So let's start with taking the inside curve of the tool here, glide it down. You can do a little like a pulsating movement here at the end. So this goes right between the collarbone here. Take the inside again, curve of the tool, and we'll go here. So this is really about increasing lymphatic drainage. So it's such an important step before we actually go into the more techniques. So we're gonna start by just warming up the muscles a little bit now. So the inside curve of the tool, place it right here. Put your fingers here for support, glide. On the other side. I always like to do these moves slowly because it also kind of calms the nervous system and it just feels more like a relaxing routine. And it's also, I think, better doing it that way instead of just rushing through it. Okay, I'm gonna take this and glide. This part. I'm gonna go a little bit diagonally right here. Just working on this whole procerus muscle right here. So this is where we tend to get those 11 lines. And we are just smoothing them out right now. Releasing any tension or fascia adhesions here. Sometimes this area can be really sensitive. Like for me, right now, I have a bit of tenseness, so go gentle. Especially around the eye area, we want to be very gentle when we're working with the tool. So these are just gentle flicking movements here underneath the eyes. So you want to go right in this area right here. It's also really important to kind of tune in to see actually how your face and skin is feeling during the day, because sometimes there might be no tension at all. You can go a little bit deeper, but sometimes when we've been staring at a computer all day or we're extra tired or headachy, it's really important to listen to our body and our face and just kind of be a little bit more gentle on that day. So it's really whatever the body, whatever your face feels, so kind of tuning in and seeing how much pressure you should put. So today, I'm going very light pressure here. Next, I'm going to take this curve here on the tool and just glide all the way up here. Take a nice deep breath to remember to breathe. Swipe all the way up. Take the two little edges here. You can do a little pulsating movement here at the end. Wonderful. Gonna go on the other side. I'm applying a little bit more pressure here than I did in the eye area. And you see here how my face is getting a little bit more red. So this is the Sha of the Gua Sha, which adds, well, you can get a little bit of redness, which is really important and not, if you don't get it, it's completely fine, but this is the blood circulation. So this is what we actually want when we're doing Gua Sha, is to improve the blood circulation. Great. Next, I'm gonna just work on the lip area here. So sometimes we have a lot of tension around the lip area or on the lips. So this is the reason we get jowls or lines around the lips. So I'm just gonna take the tool and slightly go over. Half is on the lip and half is kind of above the lip. So you just go like this. And make sure to keep your fingers here for support. Work on the other side. Let's go on the bottom lip. Okay, so lastly, we're gonna take this side of the tool here, place it underneath, and it can slide all the way underneath the jawline here. Wonderful. So just to end this routine, I'm just gonna rub my palms together, create a bit of warmth. And just press the palms of my hand on my face here. Take a nice deep breath. Great. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please go check out my playlist here with all Gua Sha techniques. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.